Good morning, friends. Today we're going to learn a new letter. And today's letter is a special letter because it makes two sounds. And we've already learned that some letters in the alphabet make two sounds, like the letter A makes the sound ah, but it also says its name, A, like acorn, or ah, like apple. So today's letter is also a special letter that makes two sounds. And those letters that make two sounds are called vowels. Can you say that word? Vowel. So today's letter is a vowel. So let's get started. So this letter, you can see it here, the capital and the lowercase. The name of this letter is O. Can you say that? O. All right, and the letter O is special because it has two sounds, and the sound of O, the first sound we're going to learn is ah. And you can see in this card how the mouth is open, so open your mouth and say ah, ah. Now let's go over some words that start with this sound, ah, okay? Most of the time you'll hear that the letter O makes that sound, ah. Okay, so here is a picture of an animal that starts with ah. Do you know what this is? What is it? It is an octopus. Octopus. Can you hear ah in octopus? Yes. So octopus is spelled like that. Octopus. Okay, so here's another word that starts with ah. This is a bird. And actually, this is a funny bird because it doesn't know how to fly. This bird can only run. All right, so the name of this bird is an ostrich. Ostrich. Can you say ostrich? Ostrich. All right, ostrich starts with the sound ah. Can you hear it? Ostrich. So ostrich starts with the ah sound, and O makes the sound ah. Now the second sound of O, the second sound of O is just its name, O. That's pretty easy, right? What's the name of this letter? O, and it makes that sound, O. So sometimes you'll hear it in words like, this door is open. Open. Open starts with the O sound. So you hear the name of O, open. So that time O says its name and not its sound. All right, here is a special pair of pants. These pants are called overalls. And usually overalls are pants or shorts, and they have a strap on the top that goes over your shoulder. Those are called overalls. And overalls starts with the sound O, its name. So that's the second sound of O, is just its name, overalls. All right, so there's two sounds of O. We have ah, like octopus, and O, like open. All right, so now we're going to look at our handwriting book. So go ahead and get your handwriting book ready, and we're going to learn how to write the letter O. Okay, boys and girls, so here is how you write the letter O. Here's the line on your paper, all right? And so you're going to start writing the letter O from the top, and you're just going to go around and stop. It's like a circle. And the letter O, this is capital O, and this is lowercase o, or big O and small o. And so then with small o, it looks pretty similar. It's except that it is a little bit smaller. And you still start at the top, and you go around in a circle and stop. And that is the letter capital O and lowercase o. So then we'll get our handwriting book. So in your handwriting book, turn to page number 43. And we're going to start with capital O. Capital O means big O. So then here you can see and even trace capital O. And it's going to start at this red line. So put your pencil on the paper at the red line. And then you're going to go around, and you'll touch the green line and up. And you'll stop in the same place you started. Now let's practice on our own. So start with your pencil on the red line and go around, touch the green line, but don't cross it, touch the green line, and go all the way up. And stop where you started. So you never even need to pick up your pencil from the paper. All right, so that is capital O or uppercase O. And let's do it 2 more times. Ready? Here we go. Start at the red line, around to the green line, and up. And then stop again where you started. 1 more time. Around, down, and up. And that is capital O. So finish this page, and then you can send me a picture in WhatsApp. Okay, so lowercase o is on the page number 9. Okay, so go to page number 9 in your handwriting book, and this is lowercase o. Now, how does lowercase o look different? Does it look different than capital O? What do you think? Yes or no? Yes, it is different because capital O started at this red line and went down to the green line and went back up. But lowercase o is much smaller. All right, it looks the same, it's just smaller. So you can even trace lowercase o here in the green line. So you start at the green and go down to the green and up. It's just much smaller. So let's try it on our own. Start at the green line, go around, and stop. It's just a circle. That is lowercase o. Let's do it 1 more time. Here we go. Around and stop. Lowercase o. So finish this page, and then you can send me a picture of your work. Okay, boys and girls, so that is how you write the letter O. And so I hope that when you finish in your handwriting book, you can go ahead and send me a picture. Now, the second thing that we always do with a new letter is in your English notebook, you can think of your own words that start with ah and your own words that start with O. And here's the pictures behind me. Ah like octopus, or O like open, or ah like ostrich, or O like overalls. So 2 sounds. The letter O has 2 sounds, ah and O. And then you can write and list. Think of your own words that start with ah, or think of your own words that start with O and draw a picture of it, and your mom or dad can help you with the spelling of the word. So I picked ah like octopus and ah like orange. So I'm even wearing an orange Tego today. So that starts with the letter O. So you can also send me a picture of your English notebook. All right, and then there's another song for you to sing with Jack Hartman's alphabet song. So listen to that, and then I hope that you have a good rest of your week. Bye, boys and girls.